Hi, it's Monika Astara, and I'm here with my co-hosts, Zenilu, the Zen part of this channel, and Miss Sassy, who likes to do a little bit kick butt. And since it's going to be an experiment, this is something I've been wanting to do for a long time. Here is a piece of paper that I printed out, and we're going to use that for collage that we're going to do in a 4x4 grid. And this is what inspired it. These are the kind of collages that I like making. They're totally simple. They literally only have like 3 elements, at least these two. This one here, this, and the circle, and the rest is just a substrate. Or, you know, like leftover scraps from punching holes with just some black. Or just, you know, 3 different types of papers. So this is what I want to do with you today, because and then this one has 1, 2, 3, and this has like a smudged circle. So that's what we're going to do today. And I'm on my recliner. So I got my pillow on my lap, a piece of cardboard on top of it. So what I want to try out, and again, I haven't done this before, I'm just going to put this actually on top of the printed out paper so that I have a full background here, and I'm going to cut it out together. We're going to glue this down on the white, and this is acid-free glue. The link is also below. And then put it on your paper and smooth it out from the center to the edges. I always use my fingernail. I put my finger like this, the thumb on top of it, and then just go, especially to get the bubbles out and get all the edges glued down really, really well. Or let me see. Oh, that'll work. So I start with one thing, and then it always ends up being something different. This is also very cool. I got boxes full of stuff where I cut out papers. So let's see what's there. These have a little bit more contrast, so let's check those. That'll work. And I actually kind of like the curved line instead of a, you know, like here I drew a straight line, but I kind of like the curved line. And this smaller. Yeah, that'll work. Now let's see, how do I want this? This has more gray over here. A lot more gray and a little bit of beige. I kind of like this. So I'm going to keep this on here, kind of where I want it. And then just turn it around, cut it out. Kind of test. Yeah, this works. Gonna stick with it. So, and I want to try something on here. I put a little bit of acrylic. No, this is acrylic paint, and this is black tulip paint, which I often use because most of the time I use my fabric paints. So I'm just gonna dip the open bottle in here, and I want to see what this does. And twist and pull. Yes, cool. So you put it down and then twist and move it. And what I want is some asemic writing back here. So the lines are going this way. So I want to get lines moving this way too, which means I'm going to do the asemic writing this way, and I'm going to try it out what I want to use. Let's see. It's kind of strong. I think I like this. So for the asemic writing, you just do illegible writing and you just start anywhere. Sometimes it's easy if you just think of a word like thank you and make it totally different, or just scribble and I want a little bit more down here. Now, if you want, this is really cool, simple as it is. However, you can go in and make some of the lines thicker or fill out like empty spaces. Okay, so that just added a little bit more interest. And what I try to do is like some vertical, some horizontal, and some kind of splotchy. And this isn't dry enough. But even like this, that's a totally sweet little Zen calligraphy type composition. But I'm kind of set on trying this, so. Now let me see if this still works or if it's too big. It's a little big, but I can take the bottle cap off here. That's a mess. This works better. So, what do you think? This is our Zen Collage. Whoa, I totally love this. What do you think of it? I mean, this is so simple and so fun. So I hope you're going to try this, especially the asemic writing. Even if you just do that, it's one of the most soothing and uplifting and relaxing things you can do for yourself. And there are more videos below that are short with doodling and asemic writing. And get in the habit of doing that every single day. I do that every single morning. And it'll totally change how you feel. So, all of us wish you happy creating. Zenilu, Miss Sassy, and me, Monika,